Hey guys, if you're looking for Fit for Expedition, fun seekers, you found us. Today I'm doing, well, a few of my favorite things. Talking about coffee, making coffee, and drinking coffee. So welcome to the channel. Almost forgot. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. And also, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Hey, I'm excited about this. This is our second installment of Nomad Coffee. It's part 2. Today you're going to learn how 3 people, YouTubers, make their coffee. Me, one, and I did a different version last time on part 1 if you want to go back and check that out. Today we've got Trippin Tracy and we've got Desert Adventures in Arizona, Steve with Desert Adventures in Arizona, and they're going to show you how to make their coffee. But I'm going to show you how another variation of how we do it on the road here at Fit for Expedition. So I use this EcoFlow power station. This is a Delta Max. It's a little over 2,000 watts, and you just turn it on right over here, and you plug it in on this side. So I picked up this little Mr. coffee maker. I think it's about 700 watts it runs on. This thing runs it no problem. Basically, when I'm using this, I just use, just random. It doesn't matter what kind of coffee. This is Maxwell House, but that doesn't mean that's what we always use. And one thing about the way we like our coffee is, you'll see, super strong. I mean, this might even come over a little bit over the top, but we like our coffee pretty strong. And you see that's 79%. It was at 81% when we started, so it brings it down 2%. So it's 40 watts basically it's used to make this pot of coffee. And we're going to go ahead and fix us some coffee. So I don't know how you like your coffee. I'm kind of strange because, well, people say I am, not just because of this, but I like to make my coffee different every time. Sometimes I'll use sweetener, sometimes I'll use creamer, sometimes I'll use milk, sometimes I'll use a flavor. It just depends. Today, I think I'm just going to go ahead and use some box milk. By the way, box milk is a great thing to have when you're traveling because it lasts a long time if you don't open it. You don't even have to refrigerate it until you open it. So, and you can pick that up at Dollar Tree too. Of course, Dollar Tree is now $1.25 tree, but so here's the coffee, and let's go ahead and give it a stir. I use a knife to stir, just a butter knife or a plastic butter knife, and that's great. That's really good. So hey, let's turn it over to Trippin Tracy.
Hello, I'm Trippin Tracy, and this is my van Casper. I'm at my home base in Georgia right now, and it is hot and humid. So I'm going to show you how I make coffee inside. Let's go. I have all of my coffee making tools ready to go. This is a Gourmet collapsible hot water kettle, and I use an AeroPress. It's kind of like a French press. The first thing I do is boil the water with the hot water kettle. It takes about 3 minutes or so, not long at all, and while I wait, I prepare my AeroPress. Let me show you how this awesome hot water kettle works. It has this handle on the top that flips out and it locks in place, and underneath it has 2 notches here that you just grab the middle and you pull it out. Here's where the plug goes, and it has a light on the front that indicates when it's on. It'll go off when it's done. You pour the water in to about halfway. There's a line, you can see it. Then you put the cover on, plug it in, and as you can see, this light comes on to let you know it's heating the water. This AeroPress comes apart. It's got the insert right here. That's the part that pushes the air down, and it has this little piece on the bottom. You just screw it off, and this is where the filter goes. These are the filters, just little round filters, and they go in here, like that. Then you take this piece and you screw it on to the bottom. It has little notches and it just screws on. And then you put it over your mug. And then you take your coffee, and I put 2 tablespoons in mine, and that's it. I'm just waiting for my water to boil. You leave a little bit of space on the top. This goes in here. I added my new favorite creamer, coconut cream, and I have a delicious cup of coffee. It's the afternoon and I will be up all night. One more thing, if you like really strong coffee, make sure you stir the coffee inside the AeroPress before you press it for about 20-30 seconds. Wait till you see how easy this cleanup is. I usually wait for this to cool down a little bit, but I don't have to, so I'm gonna unscrew it and carefully move it off. You can see the filter on the coffee is still there, and you pop it out. As you can see, there isn't much left. I just disassemble this piece and rinse it off and put it up. I've tried numerous coffee making tools, and these work the best for my van.
Hello, I'm Steve from Desert Adventures in Arizona. Today I'm going to show you how I make my coffee. Okay, I don't need much, just a little Folgers. Got this little net here. That works pretty good. Now let's boil some water. A little bit of water. A little spark, some fire, and let's heat that water up. Okay, looks like we're boiling now. Put about a full scoop in there. Just drop it in the cup. Got a good boil on the water. And it's hot. And here we go. This is a quick and easy way to make single cups. Perfect. That is some good black coffee. That's how we make it here at Desert Adventures in Arizona. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
There you go, folks. 3 different ways to make coffee for nomads on the road. I want to thank Trippin Tracy and Steve from Desert Adventures in Arizona, and look forward to part 3 on Nomad Coffee. We'll see you next time.